What is going on, guys? So today I'm very excited. We're gonna be putting a racing seat in Turdzilla. We're gonna head over to my friend Scott's house. He's where I keep the trailer, and we're gonna take Turdzilla over there. We gotta put 100 miles on this thing of mostly city driving to get the rear end broken in. So let's go take Turdzilla for a ride. Remember, I'm not really getting on the car, just breaking the rear end properly. So yeah, let's go hop in. Still rocking drag pack. You got the SVE wheels over there. I will say it definitely feels good to be back in Turdzilla. That is for sure. Alright, so I just made it over to Scott's. We got this seat. We also got a little surprise in here, which I think some of you guys will be excited about. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but that's gonna look good. Alright, we got the car jacked up. Gonna unbolt it. We do have two nuts underneath because of the subframe connectors. Alright, let's just pull this thing out. And send it into the junk pile. Man, how'd that get dirty else already? I just vacuumed it last time the seat was out.
Well, the good part is you can definitely vacuum under there.
Alright. Nice.
Two bolts on the front.
Alright. Just putting in the lower seat bolts for the subframe connectors. Got the seat right in here. So here's the seat. I think that's a wrap. There it is. Alright, let's see. Got the seat. Oh yeah, that feels good, man. Alright, so the seatbelt doesn't plug into anything, so we want to make sure that if we drive somewhere, the seatbelt ding isn't gonna go off. Alright guys, well, there is the new seat. It is going to be a big help at autocross. It's also significantly lighter, so that's definitely gonna help things out. Give you guys another shot of what the interior looks like. Obviously it's a little dirty, but yeah, I'm very happy to have a racing seat in this now. Also in the trunk, that's what I showed earlier, is we have a Celine spoiler, and I am super excited to get this on the car. I have been wanting one of these forever. So excited. I am so excited. I have extra wrap to be able to wrap it. It's gonna look so good on the car. I'm super pumped. So today, I'm gonna be helping Lee changing the oil in the ST. We gotta empty out this metal shaving nightmare of a drain pan we got here. So we're gonna go off to our local AutoZone and drain that bad boy. There we go.
A little bit of milkshake escaped.
Yeah. It's not that dirty on the outside though. Only a little dirty.
Sure.
Where that guy that takes up all these spots.
Hey, but you didn't take any handicap spots.
That is true. Therefore, we're good. Well, I'd say that's a success. Also, check out that Mark 8 over there. That thing's really looks pretty clean, dude.
It does.
For those of you guys that don't know, that's where Turdzilla's engine came out of. Or not that car, but that type of car. A lot of people don't even know about the Lincoln Mark 8s. Damn, that one's so clean. Alright, so we're gonna be changing the oil on this bad boy, ST. Got the AC cranking. Now, we're trying this out. I want to find a more permanent solution to seal this up against the garage door. It's 77 in here, it's 80 something degrees outside, so it's already feeling a bit better in here. So we're gonna be changing the oil. I mean, I like this spot right here in front of the air conditioner. It seems to be working pretty good. So we're trying out this AC thing. Right now, I'm standing in front of it. It feels great. I think it's gonna work really well for this garage, being that it's small enough to where this is gonna help out a lot, especially here in the summer in Florida. So if you guys are interested in this thing, I actually talked to the company, they sent it out here. I am super excited to have air conditioning in the garage. They actually gave me a discount code for 20% off of this thing. If you wanna pick it up, it's code Mustang. You can go ahead and click the link in the description down below. I mean, I wish you guys could feel this. This thing is like ice cold. Right now it says it's 77, turns down to like 62. I mean, it's pushing out some air. So I'm super excited. Lee over here, we're gonna get started. Oh damn, he's already started. He's got jacked up and everything.
Once you on the SC suspension, you can change both tires.
Yeah? So I also want to look into maybe wrapping this today, the spoiler, because I do have spare wrap material, so I was considering, you know, looking into wrapping this. I don't think it'd be too bad to wrap, so that would definitely be cool to get this pretty much done and laid on Tertzilla. Remember kids, safety first. Always put jack stands under your car and let down the car on the jack stands. Alright, well, we need a filter wrench for your car. Come out here, Cobra has a flat. I really hope there's not a nail in it, because I'll be really sad. Take note, when you let your girlfriend drive your car, that is below E. Great. Yep, now we're in Tertzilla.
So what ended up happening?
This one has gas in it.
So now we actually have gas, so now we can go get the proper oil filter wrench that my car needs in order for us to finish the job.
Yep. That's where I spent like $80 on a hitch. The tools aisle right here. All right, find your filter and over here, and then we'll test the socket on it. All right, Lee got the oil and filter out. New filter is in. Just gotta fill this bad boy up with some oil. We got our AC cranking. We're doing okay in here. I'm trying to clean up this area, so hopefully I can bring a car in here. But you guys don't know about that, so. Ha! Alright, well, we just finished the oil change and cabin air filter on the ST. We gotta go head down to Nick. I think I might have just showed you a glimpse of something over there, but you're not gonna find out about that for a while. So we're gonna head down to Nick's. Need to pick some parts up, so let's head down there. That's quite loud. All right, now this time we're gonna roll in the truck down to Nick's. I'll just take the trailer with us because it's already attached. Let's see, which one of these keys? Okay, there we go. Gotta drop these off to Nick. Just pick those up for him. All right, rolling into Daytona. Going over to Nick's shop. Let's see that shirt. Look at that shirt.
What, fool?
Look at that shirt.
Oh, my hater.
Motivation.
Haters.
I got your step things. All right, so we're taking off out of here. We've got some parts and dropped off Nick's doorsteps. You guys don't know about that one yet either. All right, got the garage cleaned out, sort of. Well, and after a long day of working on cars, you guys don't know about that. We have 3 cars back in the garage again. Cobra just kind of got booted tonight because I didn't feel like starting it up and waking everyone up and whatnot.